Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to retrieve aliases for all active users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. As a Google Workspace administrator, you can create an alternate email address for yourself. These alternate email addresses are also called email aliases. It enables the users or admin to receive and send emails with this alternate address. Sometimes an admin needs to retrieve aliases for all active users in Google Workspace. But Google Admin Console doesn't have this option where you can retrieve aliases for active users. Foresight Automation tool helps us to reduce the effort by conveniently managing Active Directory alias. How to retrieve aliases for all active users in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Users action. Navigate to the Columns section where first name, last name, and email are already loaded. Choose Email Aliases from the drop-down menu. Set List Deleted Users only to False. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name for identification and click Create. Verification of the rule. Go to the Rules page and click the play icon next to the created rule. Check the notification bell for a notification. Click Show All to verify that the rule has been executed successfully. Click View Log to access the log page. Look for a downloadable link containing the aliases of active users. Download the CSV file from the provided link. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.